How Nigerians over 40 are making extra income online in 2026. What if I told you that some Nigerians over the age of 40 are earning extra income online in 2026 without quitting their jobs, without becoming social media celebrities, and without spending all day glued to their phones? Would you believe it? And what if I told you that many of these people are ordinary professionals, retirees, business owners, teachers, accountants, nurses, engineers, and civil servants who simply discovered something that most people overlook? The truth is that age is no longer a barrier to opportunity. In fact, many people over 40 are discovering that their greatest advantage is not their energy. It is their experience. For years, many Nigerians believed that the internet was only for young people. They thought online business was something reserved for teenagers, influencers, programmers, or technology experts. But 2026 is proving something different. More people over 40 are entering the online space and creating additional income streams than ever before. The reason is simple. They have something valuable that many younger people do not yet have. They have knowledge. They have experience. They have skills. They have professional expertise. And most importantly, they have years of lessons that other people are willing to learn from. Before we continue, kindly click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so you can receive an alert whenever another video is released tomorrow. I share practical information designed to help you discover new opportunities and build additional income streams. Also, if you have any questions as we go through this video, please ask them in the comments section below. I personally read comments and I will not hesitate to answer your questions. Now let's talk about why so many Nigerians over 40 are looking for extra income opportunities. The answer is obvious. The cost of living continues to increase. School fees continue to rise. Family responsibilities continue to grow. Retirement concerns become more important. Many people realize that relying entirely on one source of income may not be enough. This realization is causing many professionals to explore new possibilities. The interesting part is that many of them are not starting from scratch. Instead, they are leveraging what they already know. Think about someone who has spent 20 years in accounting. Think about someone who has worked in healthcare for 15 years. Think about someone who has managed businesses, supervised employees, taught students, or solved professional problems for years. That knowledge has value. That experience has value. That expertise has value. The internet has made it possible to package and share that value in ways that were almost impossible years ago. Many people spend decades gathering knowledge but never realize that it can become an asset. Instead, they simply use it at work and leave it there. Meanwhile, other people are learning how to package their expertise into resources, training, digital products, consulting services, and other opportunities that can generate additional income. This is one of the biggest shifts happening in 2026. People are beginning to understand that what they know may be just as valuable as what they do. The internet rewards problem solvers. People are constantly searching for answers. They are searching for guidance. They are searching for expertise. They are searching for solutions. And if you possess knowledge that helps solve a problem, there may be opportunities waiting for you. Now, does this mean success happens overnight? Absolutely not. There is no magic formula. There is no secret button that instantly creates wealth. Real success still requires learning, consistency, patience, and action. However, many people over 40 are discovering that they don't need to start from zero. They already possess years of knowledge and experience that can serve as a strong foundation. Another reason many Nigerians over 40 are succeeding online is because they have developed patience and discipline. They understand long-term thinking. They understand commitment. They understand persistence. These qualities are extremely valuable when building anything worthwhile. While many people jump from one opportunity to another, successful individuals often stay focused long enough to see results. This is one reason why so many professionals are becoming interested in profit automation. Instead of constantly trading all their time for money, they are exploring ways to create systems that help them leverage their knowledge and experience more effectively. Profit automation is attracting attention because it focuses on turning valuable expertise into assets that can continue creating opportunities over time. Rather than starting a completely new career, Many people are simply learning how to use what they already know in smarter ways. And this is where things become very exciting. Imagine if your years of experience could continue helping people beyond your immediate environment. Imagine if the lessons you learned over decades could become valuable assets. Imagine if your professionalism, expertise, and knowledge could create opportunities that extend beyond your regular income. That possibility exists. The question is whether you are willing to explore it. This is why I strongly encourage you to click on the webinar video link by Dr. Charles Idrems in the video description below. In the webinar, you will discover how professionals and experienced individuals are leveraging profit automation, how the process works, and how you can get started immediately after signing up. One of the biggest advantages of learning from someone who has already achieved results is that you avoid unnecessary mistakes. Instead of wasting years experimenting, you can gain valuable insights that help you move forward with greater confidence. I also encourage you to visit the video description below and gain access to my newly released ebook titled PDF Guide. Turn your knowledge, experience, and professionalism into an online asset through Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles. This guide was created specifically to help people understand how to identify the value they already possess and how to position themselves for greater opportunities in today's digital economy. The truth is that many people are sitting on valuable assets without realizing it. Their knowledge is an asset. Their experience is an asset. Their professionalism is an asset. Their expertise is an asset. The challenge is not having value. The challenge is recognizing that value and learning how to use it effectively. As we move further into 2026, the opportunities available online will continue to expand. Those who are willing to learn and adapt will be positioned to take advantage of them. Those who continue waiting for the perfect moment may miss opportunities that are already available today. Before I end this video, please click on the subscription button and turn on notifications so you can receive an alert when tomorrow's video is released. Also, don't forget to ask your questions in the comments section below because I will not hesitate to answer your questions. And most importantly, click on the webinar video link by Dr. Charles Idrems in the description below to see exactly how it works and how you can get started immediately after signing up. Also, make sure you get your copy of the ebook, PDF Guide. Turn your knowledge, experience, and professionalism into an online asset through Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.